Assalamu alaikum viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Aliul Islam. Today we will learn top 5 new features, tips and tricks from Draw tab in MS Word 2021. So let's get started. At first go to the task bar and type here to search word and then click on word icon. We have need a blank document, that's reason click on blank document. Firstly, we learn about drawing and inking tools. Go to the Draw tab, after that drawing tools group, then click on pen black and write something here like alphabet. And write the quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog. After that, if you want to write something in different color like red color, just click on red pen and then write here sentence. And here I am. You know that I am is a short sentence in this world. And then if you want to write with pencil, just click on pencil. Pencil. And then if you want to highlight your text, just go to the Draw tab and then drawing tools group 2 and then click on highlighter. After that highlight your text. If you want to change your highlighter color, just click on highlighter arrow and choose your highlighter color. I choose green color. And then we will learn math input. Go to the Draw tab and then convert group to ink to math. Write here A plus B equal C. If you want to input this math, just click on insert and you can change this input math like x y equal z. Thanks for watching and have a great day. Stay with us. Please like, comments, share and subscribe my channel.